So welcome to the Love Seat. So obviously we've spoken a little bit via social media,
Yeah.
but we've not actually met before. So tell me a little bit about your hair. Tell me what do you like, what do you dislike?
Well, the condition's not very good. I do a lot of swimming.
Okay.
So,
Freshwater swimming or chlorine swimming?
Chlorine. And I'm outside an awful lot, so
Right.
it has a hard life.
Right. And what do you normally use on your hair?
I use one that they recommend for swimmers actually, Triad, and it probably does have silicones in it. I haven't looked.
Right.
And I quite often we do a smoothing thing with one of the Vida.
Okay.
Smoothing.
Like keratin treatments?
I don't know, it's called a smoothing.
Right. Yeah, maybe. If it's smoothing, it's 99% time. In the UK, it's keratin.
Okay.
Yeah. And when was the last time you had that?
Oh, I just do it when I blow dry after I've been swimming.
So
it's just a smoothing thing when I blow dry.
So that will definitely have some.
Yes. Oh, is that right? Okay.
Yes. So with the Veda, some of their products don't have silicone in it, but quite a few of their products do have silicone in it. And I would say probably of the conditioners, treatments, masks more than the other way.
Right.
So it's because obviously when you feel the hair, so swimming chlorine, yes, it's not great for the hair, but it won't destroy the hair if you make sure that you use good nourishment.
Yes.
Again, with bacteria, rinsing it out, putting a treatment on before you swim with the
Do you
cap.
think that? I do. And also I wet it before I swim.
Yes,
Do you think that helps?
That would definitely help. So obviously with what I always say to my clients is to use the hair and scalp elixir, smother it on, put your cap on, and then swim with that. And then once you've finished, take that off, rinse it off, do a shampoo and a conditioner.
Okay.
That will give you the proper nutrition without necessarily coating the hair.
Yeah. And okay.
Because when I feel it, so the cuticle is fairly open from about there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we definitely will work today. We'll do a little bit more work on the moisture. Right, so let's start with the haircut.
Haircut.
Right. So,
I tie it up a lot.
Okay.
Or I clip it up a lot at the back. But I do like to keep a bit of length when I'm out.
So what I see at the moment is, I find that with a lot of clients when they come in, is your hair's got short at the back and then it drops forward.
Okay.
And then you've got these two long bits that sits down. So what it does is it makes the hair very triangular.
Yeah.
Now, you can definitely keep the length, but the problem is with those bits that as soon as I open that up, so you've got very good eyes and you've got good cheekbones. I love the fringe on you.
Do you like the fringe?
I love the fringe.
So my fringe, I'd started to grow out.
Right.
Because it was much shorter. So this is sort of like an in between.
Yeah, I quite like it to be soft, maybe a little bit shorter, but not massively short. If you wanted a full fringe, that can definitely work on you because of the eyes, and you really frame the eyes.
Yeah.
But because of the way that you wear the hair and because of the texture, I'm definitely feeling something a little bit softer. So you can definitely have a little bit of side fringe. But for me, the biggest thing is this here.
Yeah.
I would bring that up and give it a lot more shape. So even if I start opening up there, instantly the face changes.
Yeah.
Now, if we think about the face shape, so when we are younger, we are a triangle like that.
Yeah.
As we get older, that happens.
Yeah.
So when we have these bits that's very long on you here, what it does, it puts all the emphasis on that, which is the bit that just because of gravity kicks in already. When what we want to do is going to take that and open that up, and instantly the hair will feel more vulnerable and it will actually open up the face.
Right.
Focus. So it's not a huge change.
No.
It's definitely something that will be quite noticeable on you for the haircut. This will work really, really well.
Yeah.
And you can still tie it up. And actually, when you tie it up like that, you'll have like
a little bit
softer bits coming out, which will work really, really well.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Right. And color-wise, now your color was done maybe about 4 weeks ago?
No longer than that.
Well, okay.
Probably 6 or 8 weeks ago.
6 weeks. Okay. And how do you like the blonde?
Well, I find it does go quite brassy.
Right.
I do like blonde. I'm going to Australia in 3 weeks for a month.
Right.
So I'm going to protect it when I'm there because the sun's brutal, isn't it? But I do like to. I'm more of a blonde than a dark.
I definitely think you are blonde.
Yeah, yeah.
I do think the thing that I look at the blonde now is I think when I look, I'm just going to tell you this way so people can see.
Yeah.
When I look at that, there's no definition in the hair.
Right.
It's just one block of colour.
Yes.
Now, when you look at your eye colour and your skin colour, now your eyebrows, are they natural or
They
they're
are, yes.
natural? Okay. So when we bring that back, as soon as you have a little bit of depth in your skin tone,
Yeah.
it's actually very good for the skin.
Yeah.
But the blonde is very good for the eyes.
Yeah.
So what I would like to do is go in, bring. Is this, do they just do highlights for you, or do they?
They might have put something lower. They might have put some low lights in.
No, but they don't put colour right on the scalp.
No.
Right. Now, when I look at your natural colour, you've got some white hair, but actually not a lot.
No.
But there's, from your regrowth, from there, there's no natural colour at all.
Right.
Through that. Now, your natural colour is actually a very good colour. Now, if it's, by the looks of your highlights, they've put so much highlights in that it's actually giving you the same result as what a tint would do. But when they put the colour on everything.
Right.
Because there's definitely lack of definition. So what I would like to do is actually encourage some of your natural colour to come through as a low light. That process will take a little bit of time, but you'll actually look blonder than what you look now.
Right.
And I'll show you a little funny thing. If I take that hair and I put it there, you see it doesn't look that blonde. But if I take that and I put it there,
So if you put it against the dark. Yeah.
so obviously we're not going to make you dark, but by bringing in some of the texture through there, it will actually be a lot more youthful on you because it wouldn't make it look quite so blocky. So just, yeah. And I think we can definitely keep the blonde. I definitely think there's the soft honey blonde works really well.
Yes.
But I think some pops are quite a bit lighter, and then definitely a low light will work really well. Yeah. Shall we crack it on?
Yeah, lovely.
Fabulous.
Thank you. I'm in your hands.